very special day. First of all, because it's 100 years since Trieste was founded, so we are here really to congratulate Trieste and all the rectors that in these 100 years were here in this important university.
Questo percorso di riconciliazione, storicamente faticoso, culminerà proprio nell'anno del centenario con il conferimento della laurea honoris causa congiunta al nostro Presidente della Repubblica Sergio Mattarella e all'ex Presidente della Repubblica Slovena Borut Pahor.
This year we are celebrating our first 100 years of life. In this period the university has grown a lot, both in teaching and in research.
Really an example for the whole Italian, maybe European territory, and I think it is the ideal place where to test the new technologies that will be introduced in the big changes of these times.